there are three different um, sources to learn Rust. Obviously, the internet gives access rather to nearly infinite sources to learn something. Rust, however, officially provides, by the looks of it, three. There is a book where you explore the language from first person principles, and we will build some projects along the way. There's also code. So this is the book here. This button um, loads the book that I was previously browsing. Here, let's press this. There are various. Oh, yeah. So it's like flashcards. Yeah. So this is like flashcards where you um, there are some examples for each idea behind the language. So functions is a separate idea. Control flow is a control flow is a separate idea. Conversion between the types, the various types supported by the language itself, built-in types. Yeah, here also it's the same things that are on the left, but there's alongside description alongside them. Okay, let's read through this. Rust is a modern system programming language, focusing on safety, speed, and concurrency. It accomplishes these goals by being memory safe without using garbage collection. Rust, by example, RBE, is a collection of runnable examples that illustrate various Rust concepts and standard libraries. To get even more out of these examples, don't forget to install Rust locally and check out the official docs. Uh, let's check this out. Okay, so this is the official documentation, I guess. Okay. So this web page, the documentation that we are on right now has different buttons. So the semantic meaning between this and these two websites are different. So this is the information is structured in a different way. I will not go through this right now. Um, so let's continue here. Okay, so we saw what this is, the examples, and the third source of information, the Rustlings, I guess the people, the group behind the programming language, guides you through downloading and setting up a Rust toolchain and teaches you basics of reading and writing Rust syntax on the command line. It's an alternative to Rust by example that works with your own environment. Okay. Small exercises to get you used to reading and writing Rust code, recommended in parallel to reading the official Rust book. So we will visit this. This is useful. We will visit this throughout um, the videos I will upload of me going through the book. I will refer to these small exercises from this source here, from this repository. So, okay, small exercises to get used to reading and writing. Okay, it's the same text, and how we will. Okay, how to start the um, the exercises. There's also a progress bar from what it seems. An exercise done here. So, okay. So, by reading through this text, I can infer that um, there's a program, possibly implemented in Rust 2, which is a tutorial for learn similar to what Vim has. It's called Vim Tutor. Yeah, it seems like it. It's good. Okay. We will go through these necessarily because I want for once in my life, treat a programming language the same way I treat math. To read them structured information and rigorous exercising. I'm good with algorithms, but my programming skills, the semantics of the programming language, I lack. I think I lack there. I don't know all the features. For example, in C, I don't know all the features. There's, for example, in barriers, when working with, I think that there are some from the frameworks that are available. I don't know some functionality and the appropriate paradigms. Okay, so by going through these, the book and the exercises, I think that me and possibly you will develop a more in-depth understanding and not understanding, but in-depth what's expected. Okay, what's how do we combine things available in Rust to write Rusty code? Okay, to see what's expected when being a Rust programmer. Okay, so this is the exercises. We will work through this in parallel, and this is the book. And here, okay, so the courses will I decided this was it. So the course will be as follows. I will stick to this, read through it word by word. Oh, I will read everything. Note any questions I have, and then go back to them and answer them. I will read through this with religiously. After each chapter, I will solve the exercises, and when I forget something, I will refer to this. So both three of the sources of information provided by the Rustlings, I will consume them. I will do my best to learn Rust in a structured way.